Hey Benji, do you see that package right there? Do you want to open it? What's inside? Yeah. What is it?
This is my Thomas thing.
Can you say it loudly?
This is my Thomas thing.
Right? Is it the roundhouse?
Can I help you take it out? It's really big.
It's really
I'll take
big.
it out for you.
Whoa.
Big.
It is
Look at
big.
it.
Wow.
Get like. Oh.
You got it?
Can you open this?
You want to open it?
Yes.
Yes. I want you to do one thing. Do one thing, Benji. Can you, whoop, stay right there.
Cheese.
Jeez. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say thank you, Auntie Leslie?
Thank you, Auntie Leslie.
Can you say thank you, Auntie Marcia?
Thank you, Auntie Marcia.
Can you say thank you, Uncle Daniel?
I can't.
Yes, you can. Thank you, Uncle Daniel.
I'll say it for him.
Okay, you say it.
Thank you, Uncle Daniel.
Say thank you, Uncle Phil.
That was for me, for Benji, because he said he couldn't say it.
Right. Can you say thank you, Oliver and Hillary?
Thank you, Oliver and Harry.
Can you say thank you, Alana and Jonathan?
Thank you, Lana and Jonathan.
Say I love it.
I love it.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.